Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In today's video, I am sharing with you some most exciting ideas of mug rugs. You will see really attractive and gorgeous designs of coasters in this video. These are not fully crochet work coasters. These are coaster designs having very attractive and beautiful shell stitch patterns on fabric at the end. So border designs are made with beautiful crochet patterns, and inside of it will be different kinds of materials used. Most of the designs are having fabrics, like you can see this one. This one is having a denim fabric, and you can see this beautiful design. It is made with a table runner fabric, and embroidery is also done on it. You will see different kinds of designs. All of these designs are embroidered or embellished, and different types of crochet work is done on most of these designs too. So you can see this beautiful idea as well. This one is wooden work, and on the sides you will see crochet stitches made. Like this one is also really attractive and beautiful design. These are all laser cut wood patterns with holes in it, and on the holes you will see different crochet patterns, like shell stitch patterns are made. And you can see this beautiful pattern as well, which is made with crochet work in the center, and larger sized square round sequences are added, which is also looking really attractive and gorgeous. And contrasting colors are used in these designs mostly, but you can use same colors as well like the previous one. And this design is fully made with crochet work, and it is having more amazing look because of little tassels which are attached on them. So all of these designs are really attractive and gorgeous and are unique in their own ways. You can just take a screenshot of the design which you like the most and you want to make, and you can make it by yourself at home very easily. If you know handmade works, especially crochet work, most of these designs are having twists of different crochet works in them, but you will see all types of designs, and all of these designs are super cute and lovely and are unique from each other as well. I have uploaded conventional crochet work designs on my channel many times, and I have uploaded coaster designs of macrame work on this channel as well. But this time I have collected some unique ideas which will give more attractive and stunning look, and it will add a new vibe to your home decoration products as well. Thank you for watching. Bye.